Is that the first step?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you guys making today?
We are making movies.
You're making smoothies?
Yeah.
Wow, those look really, really healthy. Are you helping to make the smoothies, Ellie? Yeah, you're doing a great job. And what are you making over there, Prosper? You're giving him some banana? So what are all the ingredients that you're gonna put in the smoothies? You have a banana. What do you have here? Chopped spinach. And what else are you gonna put in it? Does anyone know any of the other ingredients we're gonna put in the smoothies? Some fresh basil.
Looks like
Okay, what else do we need in there? Strawberries, let me go get them. Okay, so here we've got some strawberries. Okay, so now we have to cut off the little green part here. And you're gonna cut these carefully. And Ellie, you can help pull off the green parts and then we'll put them in, okay? Are you taking off the green stems? He's over here taking off all the green stems. Oh, looks like he's eating that one. Is it yummy? You like it? Are you having the spinach? Can you add the spinach in? This is frozen spinach. Here's spinach and put in the freezer and it lasts much longer, right? Wow, look, you're doing a good job. Good. Yes. Okay, now what's the next step? Oh, we gotta add some yogurt. Let's get the yogurt. Some yogurt. Okay, let's add the yogurt in now. Here's a spoon. 1. Can you count it? 2, 3. Good job. Put it in. Awesome. Look at you scooping it in. That's great. Good.
It's my turn.
You want to do one more scoop? All right, one more scoop. And I know someone that wants to eat the spoon after. This one. Do you want to eat the little yogurt spoon? Okay, so this is going to be loud. Don't be scared, okay?
Okay.
All right, this is what the grown-up does, this part. Ready? Wow! Looks like it's ready. What did you say?
Tasty.
Tasty. Are you excited? Can you pour it now carefully? Good. Now save for... What do you think? Does it taste good?
Now I'm making a popsicle.
Oh, wow. Hey, Ellie, you want to try yours?
Now you
Come here.
movie.
You want to make the popsicles with a smoothie next time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Make it right now.
What do you think? Does it taste good?
I make the popsicles for a movie.
Yeah?
Yeah, I make it right now because it's a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day out, isn't it?
And I have to make my popsicles now.
Okay. Hey, Isaiah wants to try. Can he try a little sip?
Yeah.
Yeah. Time.
See you next time. Now I make me as a popsicle
Say subscribe to our channel.
to a channel, but we didn't make one for mom and dad. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'll go make one for us now. Ellie, say subscribe to our channel.
Can I make a popsicle?
You want to do a popsicle next? Oh, okay. Say bye, everyone. Okay, good. So go put that in the recycling. No, not that, but the fruit, right? We can save it for compost. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to watch us as we release a new video every week. Can't wait to see you next time, and be a